Hi, Lynn. Good evening. Lynn, good evening, Lynn. Hi, Lynn. Lynn, can you hear me?
Hello, teacher.
Yes, good evening. Okay, so sorry because I need to change the schedule so that we can finish early because I still have a class at 8:15. Okay? Thank you so much, Lynn. So we are talking here, Lynn, about human body. Okay, our body is very important as a human. So we have to take care of the body. Okay? So speaking, describe the photo. How is the footballer feeling? And what has happened, do you think? How is the footballer feeling? What has happened, do you think?
I think that the footballer is very hurt, feel very bad because uh, she has hurt on her foot.
Okay, so as you can see in the picture, the footballer is quite hurt. Okay, as you can see, she's touching her foot, or maybe it's run. Yeah, it's the foot going down. Okay. So the footballer is lying on the football pitch. She is in pain and has probably hurt her ankle in the tackle. So this one. Okay. So we have vocabulary word in. Okay, we have ankle,
Ankle.
the joint connecting the foot to the leg. Next is blood, the red liquid that flows through bodies of humans and animals. Bottom, the lowest part of something. Brain, it's the organ inside the head that controls movement, thought, memory, and feeling. It's the brain, our brain, which is very important. That's why, Lynn, if ever our brain malfunctions, we cannot understand, we cannot hear totally, our brain is dead. Okay, our body is dead. Okay. So we have here the calf, the back part of the leg between the ankle and the knee here. Okay. And either side of the face. This is the cheek and chin and elbow. Okay. So we have here. Okay. So we have the word rests. The joint between the hand and arm. Eyelid. It's the pieces of skin above and below the eye that cover it. Forehead, this one. This is your forehead. The part of the face above the eyes and below the hair. Heel, it's the back part of the foot below the ankle. And of course, we have hip. It's the area at either side of the body between the top of the leg and the middle part of the body. Intestine, it's a long tube in the body between the stomach and the anus. And jaw, it's either of the two bones at the bottom of the face. And either the two organs in the body that removed waste product, it's the kidney. Okay, either the two organs in the body that removed waste product, it's kidney. Okay, next we have, okay, so many. So we have here the lung, okay? Our lung, either of the two organs in the chest that you use for breathing. That's why we have to inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, muscle. Okay, our muscle is very important. It's a piece of body tissue that you make tight and relax. Another is the scalp. The skin that covers the part of the head where the hair grows. It's the scalp here. This is the scalp. Chin. The back part of the foot below the ankle. We call it chin. And skull. The area at either side of the body between the top of the leg and the middle part of the body. It's your skull. And spine, the row of small bones that are down the middle at the back. This one, at your back, there is the row there. The bone at your back is we call spine. Okay, you know what, Lynn? It's very sensitive when you try to break your spine. So it is quite hard to break your spine. Okay. Next is thigh. Okay, the top part of the leg between the knee and the hip. Waist, the area around the middle of the body between the ribs and the hips. It's the waist. Okay, this one. This is our waist near our hips. Okay. So here, Lynn, okay, can you match? Okay, it's quite hard, so let us not that one. Okay, so let us this one. Which part of the body in the list in task 2? Okay, so please try to answer this one. Okay, you can pick your answer from here. Okay, you can put number 1 or you can put color for you not to write it, to recognize. Olin.
Okay.
Oh, Golin. Link inside the body, ha? Inside the body. Number 1.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay. What are inside your body? Okay. Your blood, your brain, your throat, your heart, your stomach, your, what else? Your rib, oh, that's inside your body. The intestine, that's inside your body. Okay. Are part of your head or neck. Okay, look at this. Okay, are part of your, okay, these are the parts of your inside your body. Are part of your head or neck. Okay. Are part of your head or neck, your blood, your brain, your cheek, part of the neck, head. Okay, part chin, your cheek and chin, eyebrow, eyelid, jaw, this one is the jaw. And then here the jaw, the lip, okay, muscles, scalp, skin, skull, spine. Okay, these are the part of the head or neck. Are part of your arm or hand. Okay, many blood, of course. You have elbow, you have muscles. Of course, you have, okay, you have nail, you have skin, you have thumb, you have wrists, You have, okay. So these are part of your, oh, sorry, part of your arm. Okay. What are part of leg or foot? What do you think are part? Oh, you just put color. You can repeat the answer, ha? Okay, please just put colors. It will not be hard for you. You just put color. Lynn.
Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher. Teacher,
Done? Okay, so our part of the leg or foot, so many. Example, ankle. Okay, are between your neck and the top of your legs. Okay, between your neck and legs. So here, half of your body. So we have blood. Of course, blood is always there. Bottom. Okay, heart. Okay, this one because your heart is here. Lungs. Hip. Okay, intestine, kidney, muscles, rib, shoulder, skin, and spine. Do you have two of? Two of? What is that? Two ankle? Two calves? Two cheek? Two elbow? Two eyebrow? Okay, so our bones, considered bones is, what is it? Okay, rib, skull, spine. Okay. Okay, do the quiz and listen again to check your answer. Okay, please. Okay, please do the check, do the quiz first. Okay, do the quiz first and then after lesson again to check your answer. Someone's changing. She don't say that she's gone with the words. It's on her own way. Someone's changing. She don't say that she's gone with the words. It's on her own way. It's not someone's changing. She don't say that she's gone with the words. It's on her own way. What's changing? She's doing it. Okay, Lynn, are you done?
Teacher. Oh, can I listen again?
Okay, no. You will not listen. You have to answer first before you listen. Okay?
Sorry, teacher, my internet today is not good.
Okay. Yeah. Lynn, sorry, Lynn, because teacher has another class. Can we continue this topic on tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday, yeah? No. So our class, when will be our class? On Friday, right? Friday. Sorry.
Yeah.
Friday. Okay, I will see you on Friday and let us continue this. Sorry, Lynn, because teacher has another class. Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye, Lynn.
Okay, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Okay. Yes.